Hi friends, good morning. I'm back. Today I want to share something personal. I want the whole world to know how I feel about her. This is called Sorry Enough Glossary Word Icon. Until you came to the world, life was unsold. I couldn't bask in the other one's sun or eat your seamlessness in your sunset. I couldn't be drained of taking your hands or you could be doing, leaving me in a decade of running. But you being in Scotland, but Elvery, or me getting diagnosed with something, I thought it would be a pleasant beginning. With you beside my arm, a heart beating loudly in your mind from time to end. But on that fateful day, when I was about to close you, I took a first breath. The body consuming anger enjoying me, I spit fire to your beauty and your blue or dignity. When I look up to the sky, all I see is dark clouds, floating in red. Wishing up the stars, one line on holding you. Heroes needed to be. Heroes was you. You don't need to do, but left and bread. No one here is very eyes. Darkened heights clouding, the bodies to the stars. As night turns to day.